Hello guys, so I'm going to show you how to Dockerize your web app. I have an Express server right here. So the first thing you do is to write Docker in it. You will see here multiple projects. So for example, you can choose Python if you're building a Python project, or Node for our case, also PHP or Java. So I choose Node. I go with the default. Then it will ask you for the package manager, and then for the command you use to start the app, and also at the end the port your server listens on. And that's basically it. So now you have Dockerfile, Docker Compose file. You can see here also you can use Postgres if you want.